fall, so Lord, please forgive me. I know there's a better way. What would you do if you was alive in these days? Tell me, would you go work and make it easy? Or would you want big money and be on the block with it? Can you tell? I ain't got nothing to lose. Just tell it, I'm a fucking move. Yeah, they probably wish I could bring you back and fuck this guy. Woo, I'm gonna need something to drink. Hey, somebody for security, go tell the people at the front door we'll be up there and let them in a few minutes. They got to chill out. Sing shit. They need an extra 10 right now if they want it. She said she don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. Hey, but if I left her, yeah. She don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. But if I left her, it'd be spinning like a frisbee. She said it ain't working, and her feelings got her hurting. I know she in love with me, that's just one thing that's certain. She said she don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. But if I left her, it'd be spinning like a frisbee. She said it ain't working, and her feelings got her hurting. I know she in love with me, that's one thing that's certain. You never know, feelings can grow, feelings can die, but I still see love in your eyes. You tell me why to the hate inside. Between you and I, it's growing so cold, and you said they go bring it over. Fuck it, now I know me and you are over. After all of the breakups, finally we had to wake up. This shit, and now look again and where love takes us. Time and time again, got me tipping, trying to be and trying not to focus in like fuck it, here we go. She said she don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. But if I left her, it'd be spinning like a frisbee. She said it ain't working and her feelings got her. I know she in love with me, that's one thing that's certain. She said she don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. But if I left her, it'd be spinning like a frisbee. She said it ain't working, her feelings got her. She in love with me and that's one thing that's certain. Another fight, another life, and no mistake. It's far beyond the hand, and now it's sad, there ain't no changing us. To beat up and down this road more than a few times. Blowing like bad, like it's some type of sunset. In the back of my mind, like fuck it, I should stop trying. But you are on this phone now, and you won't stop crying. Tell me, and at the same time you can't stand up just why you throwing up a peace sign. Your peace sign, I guess love this. At least you are, and now I know that shit. So I'ma never walk down that same road again. Baby, I'm throwing up my nooses, say goodbye to Benjamin. She said she don't need me, she said she wouldn't miss me. But if I left her, it'd be spinning like a frisbee. She said it ain't working, her feelings got her hurting. I know she in love with me, that's one thing that's certain. Yeah.
With all things considering, see picture perfect can't be smashed into smithereens. As quick as it comes, it can go and fade. Just the dreams, just the thoughts, just the memories, see what's going on. Hopes by the side, tears you can't cry. It's like love was suicide. You wanna give it another try, then you ask yourself why. 'Cause every time you get it in the past, you get it now. Somebody's feelings got hurt, patience got pushed. Love got overlooked, your heart was stolen by a crook. At least it's how it seems like that's how you feel. So now you know you are the same. Let's keep it real, huh? Maybe it's you, maybe it's them. Who knows? You can't predict the future, the story remains untold. So you stay looking for a better fuck you in the thoughts. So that should be my new name. Get it? Fuck you the end. You say you love me, but you pretend. I see through your lies, but you still think you're my weakness. Oh no, no secret, you have my heart, I still couldn't keep it. You're the reason that I say the love. Then I'm fucking with it. I'm on some new shit, deep this. You can say more, I got cover. I say to you, not thanks to you, bitch, it is truly frozen. Time after time, I fucking trap and now it's truly over. They say that time can heal anything, but we need closure. So let's go our separate ways like the ones before, yeah. It's fucked up, ain't it, in the truth, exploded. That's what I was thinking when I wrote this. Love is suicide and I just can't condone it. You back in the passion, I know I should have never tried. It's like I love was suicide, yeah. Said I know I should have never tried. You back in the passion, I know I should have never tried. It's like I love was suicide, yeah. Said I know I should have never
Check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean, can I warm up, man?
Yeah, I'm done. Rock stars. Y'all ain't gonna get a fucking sound check, are you?